Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical, and we're back down at Van Fit Solutions for round 3. Let's get into this. Right, so we're still down with Josh then, just planning out exactly what we're doing then. So we've got a nice brand spanker for the new lads starting. So we're going to get some racking installed here, so it's going to be nice, and it's going to be basically the same setup as Brian's and Matt's, so yeah, it should be good. See how it turns out. Right, so here down with, who have we got?
I'm Josh.
Is Josh? I'm about to say I'm Josh then. Right then, let's do you want to do me a little talk through then of what's going on today then?
Yeah, so easy partial floor, L-shaped. Yeah. Your ladder will go for here, open space on the back. Yeah. Your bunker will go here, yeah, out there. And this bit here, you'll be able to open it from the side, get some extra space in.
That's great.
This is your side door rack.
Yeah.
Here's your passenger side rack.
That's great then.
Drive side rack. All kind of the same. Maybe a bit different dividers, but that's about it.
That's great then, thank you for that. That's spot on then. So that's going to appear here then. So it should be the same kind of setup then. So have a nice little flatbed, ladders to go in, racking on there. You've got access racking that side and this side, so it should be nice and usable. So yeah, we're going to try and match it the same as the other vans, so everything's nice and uniform. Yeah, it looks like they've grown a bit then, so they've got a few teams now kitting them out, maybe doing 3 a day or something. This guy's just had his van all racked out, looking pretty cool. So it's a similar design to what we've got, but he's gone for quite a deeper, the racking takes up half the van kind of thing. So I know, it looks pretty cool that. Also this van's ready to go, they're just getting all the cuts ready. So now the nice operation really, and you get a really good result. So there we go, that's the flooring all made up then. That's looking pretty sick. So the mat to slide this in, that's looking great. Now look at this five-star treatment then, they're giving it a good blowout with the air, getting all the dust out from it. There we go then. Is it the final touches, is it?
Yeah, pretty much, mate.
So what are you doing there then? It's a bit of a...
Yeah, a bit of a wax job, mate.
Bit of a wax job, that's alright. I'm Brazilian on the new van. Oh, that's good. Oh, looking very tidy. Very nice. Yeah, new day, new dollars. We've got Sam down here then.
Hello.
Hello, hello. So he is the new member of Finney Electrical then. Yeah, so this is going to be his van then. So what we're going to do is nip to the wholesalers. You never see this bit, and we're going to kit it out with all the different bits. There we go, we're at the local wholesaler, Yes Electrical. Let's go get us stuff. There we go, we've got the last little bit now then. So he's got his earth sleeve, his earth temper left. But yeah, look at this. Go on, let's see what he's done then. So I've just passed him all gear. I've been chatting with lads inside. Look at that, everything's in there. So he's got his selection of cables, very nice. Look at that, that's just ready to go, that, isn't it? That's looking pretty sweet. And then he's got everything he's going to need then. So I can't remember what was on that picture of Bry's, but we're going to try and match it to Bry's. But basically the side drawer's going to be all fixtures and accessories and stuff like that. I'll have to send Sam the picture, but yeah, we'll get everything labelled up and looking tasty. There we go, so we've got Brian's van that I asked him to take a picture of, so we can actually see what's going on then. So we're going to try and match it up then. So what have we got then? So I can't tell if it's an 18mm tape or a 24mm tape. What do we think? Looks like an 18mm tape that, doesn't it? Doesn't look 2 centimetres out, does it? No, 2.4. So yeah, we'll go with the 18mm tape and we'll get these written out then. That was a fail. Oh, I've got to go out of the way. Right then, Sam, what do you think of the van then?
Lovely, lovely stuff.
Yeah, we had a lot of electricians jealous at Yes Electrical. Oh, that looks great. Hope he looks after it.
Yep. It will be.
There we go. There we go. This is his. He's got this in signing now. It's on video. But yeah, so just got a bit of din rail to go up at the sides. Then he's got all these bits in. But yeah, so we're just going to get din rail from here to here. Same again for there. Then he can get all these like spare breakers. So if he gets to a job and something's wrong, he can just nip in and lift it off, put it in, swap it out. But yeah, everything's nice and labelled up then. Let's see if we can get this in. And now the light's against me today. That's looking really sweet. So obviously he'll kind of bulk it up as he kind of goes on his little journey, but he's got a few spurs in, all these switches in. There you go, 2 gang, needs a 1 gang, 3 gangs over here, look at that. Nice and tidy, mate. Yeah, so we got some nice little storage down here then for all your little bits, so very handy. So they've got, what do they call that, a piano closer or something, the guys were saying. It's all been rubber sealed off then, so they get some like black silicone to stop dust getting in places that you don't want it to. Oh, that's been nicely sealed off then. But yeah, it's looking good. Obviously when you get your ladders in and out, it's not going to scratch on here. It's got this metal plate on here. Yeah, you got a nice little, oh look at that, I never even noticed this with these vans. You got a 12-volt plug here. Right, lads could get a little mini fridge in there, couldn't they, for the summer days. Yeah, so these Vivaro vans are pretty cool as well, so obviously you can get your ladders in there, but that same hole goes all the way through to here then, so you can lift that down and you've got access all the way through, so you can get like 3 metre lengths on if you don't want a ladder rack on, so that's a good option. So you just pull a button here, I think, and that lifts up and you can go all the way through then. Look at that. That is alright, that, isn't it? Not too bad. I think you get about 2 dead bodies in here, couldn't you? There we go, so that van's looking absolute great then. So we've got loads of stuff to come. We've got floor mats, we've got like leather seat covers, we've got loads of random tools, and we even got your little car charger and a lead. There we go, so we've got loads of stuff to come. But yeah, it's going to be a nice little setup for Sam to work out of. So what do you think so far then? We'll have another little interview.
Yeah, it's great. Everything's sorted now, so I'm ready to go.
There we go, that's right. So hopefully we set them up right and they can just crack on and do some good work. Get the job done, customers happy, jobs are good. There we go. Right, that's all I've got time for today's video then. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notifications, you know when my next upload. So as always, have a good one from me and Sam, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Goodbye. Oh, it's like a little musical outro. There we go.